Hello guys, welcome back to Codei, and I am delighted today to see you all with yet another video. And today through this video we will be seeing what is comma operator and size of operator, and we will see there's applications too in programming. Okay, let's get in and learn what is comma operator. And uh, a comma operator plays a vital role in programming. These comma operators are used to link related expressions together. It works as a separator in functions. Of course, a comma operator works as an operator, separator, and one more thing, in C language, the comma operator has the least precedence. Okay, these are the things that I actually wanted to tell you, dear fresh learners. Let's see how comma operator differs as an operator, separator, and an example on least precedence. Okay, let's see. Okay guys, here is the program where we will be seeing a comma as operator, separator, and its list precedence. Okay, look at the fifth line of this program here guys, that I am selecting this fifth line. Here comma worked as a separator. It tells the compiler that a and b are the two variables with the same data type, that is integer data type. That's what the comma do there as a separator. It separates a and b and tells these are two separate variables to the compiler. And in the sixth and seventh line, we are seeing that comma as an operator. Okay, in the seventh line here, b equals 3 comma 6 comma 9, a comma worked as an operator. When comma work as an operator, it returns the value of the rightmost. It returns the rightmost value that are in the brackets. Okay, whenever you assign equals in the braces, you give values, comma operator will give you the rightmost, okay, rightmost value. So here a equals 3 comma 6 comma 9, since assignment operator, that is this equals symbol in the sixth line. Guys, look at the sixth line. In the sixth line, since a equals 3 comma 6 comma 9, since equals sign is used, that is an assignment operator, it has the highest higher precedence over the comma operator. So the compiler will automatically return a equals 3. It will not further evaluate 6 and 9. Okay, whereas in the seventh line, b equals in the brackets 3 comma 6 comma 9. So more than the equal symbol, that is assignment operator, these brackets, of course brackets have the highest precedence in the C language. Since bracket has the highest precedence in the C language, compiler will go into the brackets and see. Now comma works as an operator, it will return the rightmost value. The rightmost value is 9 in the eighth line of our program. So let's run this and see, then you will have a better idea over this. Here it is. As I told, the equal sign assignment operator had the higher precedence over a comma. Compiler returned a equals 3, whereas in this seventh line we have used brackets, which has highest precedence. So the compiler automatically went into the brackets and seen what is there and returned the value as per the conditions. Okay, here let me change this value as 1 and once again run this for you. Just see the value. Okay, now b will be 1. Okay, the comma operator returns a rightmost value. Okay, this is the simple program I have written for you to explain comma as an operator separator and how it's the least precedence works in a program. Okay, next the Sizeof operator. Okay guys, let's see what is Sizeof operator. Okay, the Sizeof operator is an unary operator like the bitwise complement operator. Okay, it is an unary operator, it works on a single operand. Okay, what does this do? Okay, this is what the Sizeof operator do. It returns the value, it returns the size of a data that is specified. Let's see an example program to get an idea how the Sizeof operator works. Here I am guys with the example program, and it is a very simple program. Okay, as I told, the Sizeof operator simply returns the amount of memory allocated to that particular data type. Okay, so for the different variables I have declared a, b, c, d, and all these 4 variables are different data types. Okay, how much memory all these data types need and how much memory is allocated. That's what the information we will get through this program. Okay, let's run this and see. That's it guys, this is very simple. And one more important thing that I wanted to tell you is the output differs on different machines. Like the 32 bit will return give us a different output for the same program, and 64 bit will give us the different output. Okay guys, this is how the Sizeof operator work. And Sizeof, the word Sizeof is a keyword in C. We cannot manipulate it, it has a predefined function in C. So any variable that you declare as integer will have 4 bytes memory, float will have 4 bytes, and double will have 8 bytes, and character will have 1 byte. So this helps in dynamic usage of memory. Okay guys, that's it for today, and I hope you understood the how comma operator and Sizeof operator work, and I have kept it so simple. And of course this video is targeted towards the absolute beginners of C. Okay guys, thank you for watching, keep supporting me. Until the next video, this is your friend signing off. Thank you so much guys, thank you, love you, cheers, bye bye.